Hello, fellow diggers. Well, got a call from my son's girlfriend a little while ago. I had to go pick up some money that she got for selling some aluminum cans for me. And she had a couple more things for me. I want you to see this. You know, she's been getting me these little miniature coins. Check this one out. Let's see here if I can get this where you can see it. That's a miniature Walking Liberty. Yes, you can see that. I can see it through the viewfinder pretty good. That's the front side with the Walking Liberty. Let me flip it for you. And there's the back side with the eagle. Focus. There we go. That's pretty cool, huh? And that's just the beginning. She also got me another bill. Some more paper money. This is 10,000. No, it's 100,000. No, 10,000. 10,000 Afghanis from the Afghanistan Bank. So it's from Afghanistan. There you can see the Sanskrit or whatever kind of writing, and look at how they do their numbers for their serial number down there. That's wild. There you go, 10,000 Afghanis. So I'm going to have to make a trip by the library again tomorrow and get them to make a copy of one side or the other of this, so I can put both sides in the frame. That is so cool. And I'm sure we've got a lot of people that have come back from Iraq and Afghanistan that have seen these. And if there's anybody out there that watches my videos that has just recently come back from Afghanistan or has been to Afghanistan and knows, I'm curious just what 10,000 Afghanis amounts to in American money. Because I've got no idea. I know Italian lira, like 100,000 lira is like $1. So I'm curious if the Afghanis are anything like the lira, and like the Zimbabwe money, that bill that Relic Hunting Scotland Dave had a while back, like $1 million Zimbabwe dollars, and it was only worth like $10, something like that. Ridiculously low number. But that is cool looking. Or at least it's cool looking from my perspective. Now, if I'd just come back from Afghanistan, it might not look that damn cool. But from my perspective, it does. So if anybody out there has any idea what that amounts to in American money, I'd be curious to know. Well, that's kind of cool looking. What is that symbol up there? I'm looking at it under magnification, and other than the Afghanistan Bank, I still don't know what that symbol is. I guess it's a symbol of Afghanistan. I don't know. Anyway, wanted to jump on here and let everybody see that. I think that's kind of cool, and the little Walking Liberty is cool as hell too. I got to get it up on the wall. All right, people. Until next time, this is your one and only Penny Digger, and I'm out.